Welcome to this quick tutorial on using Odoo Helpdesk. In this video, we'll show you how to switch between different sites if your Odoo account has multiple sites, and then how to set a customer filter and save it for sharing or personal use. Let's get started. First, let's switch between different sites in Odoo. Navigate to the top right corner of your Odoo dashboard. Click on your profile icon to see the list of available sites. Select the site you want to switch to. The page will refresh, showing you the help desk for the selected site. Now, let's move on to creating a customer filter in the help desk. Navigate to the help desk module. Click on the Filters button at the top of the screen. Select Add Custom Filter. In the filter options, choose the criteria you want to filter by, such as customer name or ticket status. Once you've set your criteria, click Apply. To save this filter for future use, click on Save Current Search. Enter a name for your filter and choose whether you want to keep it private or share it with your team. Click Save. Congratulations! You've successfully switched between sites and created a customer filter in Odoo Helpdesk. For more tips and tutorials, visit www.atbcpa.com. Our team of experts is ready to help you optimize your business operations. Contact us today. Thank you for watching.